Hi everyone, how are you all today? I'm going to do unboxing of this amazing package. I ordered this from Temu and let's see what's inside. So let's cut it with scissors and let's open it. So this is my first experience. I have ordered from Temu and I'm also Temu affiliate person. So my code is also displaying on the screen, ALI225995. So I have ordered two activities and one is there and one is inside this box. So one thing like bad thing happened, like one activity was incomplete and one activity was complete. So I'm just sharing the first activity with you guys. So let's open it. So this is educational activity, educational toy, as you can see on the thumbnail also. So let's open it and see if is it complete and the same as I ordered. So this is the activity. It's counting activity and cute frog is like holding balancing numbers and frogs. So this is basically counting and balancing activity. You can buy for your kids and for for teaching them for your school items. If you are a teacher, you can buy it to teach to your kids. And this is the best Montessori toy. And these are the equipments we get with this toy. And this is the cute frog, balancing frog. So we have to fix the 2-3 pieces with it. So I tried it in the video. Please watch the full video. We have some cards. You can these are the activity cards. So for example, if there is one, so there will be one frog, two frogs, and there are some addition activities as well. So this is very easy. You can do so many activities with this single toy. You can teach them subtraction, you can teach them addition, and you can teach them how to balance things, and you can teach them how the weight is balanced. And this is a very nice activity. So let's join it. Let's open it. So we have to fix these two circles on these two sides, right and left side. So let's fix it here. That was running from my hand. So one piece is fixed like this. Make sure it's like formed and strong properly, so you can put the exact same weight and toys. You will put the numbers and cute frogs on it, so you can balance and teach them numbers. So I will show you how to, we will do this activity. You take out this frog and this activity is complete. Thank you so much Temu for sending me this amazing package. And you will take the frog and take out numbers from the packet, and you will teach your kids and your students how to balance. This is the number 1 and 1 frog. So put the one here and put the one frog, so it will balance the weight. This is a very good thing about this toy, that it teaches balance to the kids. So if you put number 2, look, it goes up when one frog is there, so it's not balanced. So you have to add one more frog here. So now it's equal, it's balancing. Item link is also in the description. Thank you for watching.